Hey, this is Snehil from GB Media, and we have done a mini audit on your brand, which is Pavy, which come under the category of musical instrument. So when I was deep diving into your category, I got to know that the sales has spiked up in month of January, followed by the month of November. If I talk about the overall demand, we can see that the demand also increased in month of January, followed by the month of November. These are the following keyword which is relevant to your category and having this high search volume trend as well. So if you see the keyword is more or less a kind of generic keyword, like for example, this microphone stand, this mic stand, etc. So if I just copy one of the keyword and check on Amazon that whether we are ranking or not, I got to know that you are not ranking at all. So if I talk about sponsor brand placement, you are not coming over here. Talking about a sponsor product placement as well. Right now, I can see that other competitor has taken over the placement. If I talk about the video also, I can see that this particular brand name Boom Arm has taken over the placement. So it's important to secure the placement on this particular top of the search thing because 70 to 80% of the sales happens from the top of the search placement. If I talk about the other keyword as well, which is your mic stand. So for mic stand also, I'm not seeing your brand coming on the top of the search page. So right now here on sponsor brand placement, some other competitor have taken over the placement. Talking about here as well, you are not ranking at all. Talking about video ads as well, you are not running very much aggressive on this particular keyword. So it's important you should be going aggressive on these relevant keyword because here you will get a more NTB order and plus the conversion rate is also will increase only. If I talk about your own brand keyword, which is Pavy microphone stand, here also I'm not seeing you are running sponsor brand campaign here because right now the competitor has taken the placement. If I talk about sponsor product placement, I can see you are coming on this placement, but again the four other placement has been taken over from the competitor side. Talking about the video ad as well, other brand has taken over the placement. So they state that you are not going very aggressive on your brand keyword also. So it's important you should protect your brand keyword from the competitor side. You should run the sponsor brand videos and banner because running a brand campaign will help you to get more CTR plus the conversion rate because studies also shows that you can get up to 20 to 30% conversion rate if you are running the sponsor brand campaign. This is the opportunity explorer tool, which if you see over here, this all keyword is relevant to your brand and category, but you can see that on the top three click product, your brand is not coming at all. So right now you can see that all the competitor is coming over here. Also, I went to one of your listing and I realized that you're not doing very good defense campaign here as well because if you see over here, the other competitor has taken over your PDP. So right now you can see that this other brand has taken over the placement. If I talk about other placement also, right now you can see the other competitor is ranking on your PDP. So you should run defense campaign, which is very, very important for you as it will help you to protect your ASIN from the competitor one. So this is the mini audit we have done for you. If you are interested for overall audit, connect with us as we have shared the link with you. You can fill the form as it is completely free.